Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone is updated and signed into iCloud, and the Apple Watch is charged and on its charger. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone so signals can exchange. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing, then hold the watch close. You do this because the app scans a pattern on the watch. Pairing establishes the secure link that lets notifications, health data, and apps sync automatically. Once the animated pattern appears, use your iPhone camera to scan the watch face. This confirms identity and starts encryption. After pairing, you will choose which wrist you wear the watch on and create a passcode. This protects health and payment data. Next, decide on cellular setup versus using the phone only and enable Apple Pay if desired. Sign into your Apple ID when prompted so health and iCloud sync. Then wait as apps and settings restore, or the watch complete. Now let the watch finish syncing. Keep both devices close and the watch on its charger until the progress completes. Once done, open the watch app to confirm notifications, app layout, and health data are appearing. Make sure settings like Do Not Disturb and Workout Sync are correct. If something looks missing, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi before retrying. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves connection hiccups because a quick restart clears temporary radio or software conflicts that block pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.